Want to remove dirt, dead skins, and get an instant glow? This easy homemade peel-off mask cleanses and brightens your skin naturally. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coffee, remove dullness and refresh skin. 1 tablespoon honey hydrates, give a natural glow. A vitamin E capsule nourishes and softens skin. 1 tablespoon peel-off mask helps easy remove deep cleanses. 1 wet tissue or sheet mask acts as a peeling layer. Mix coffee, honey, vitamin E capsule and peel off mask in a bowl until smooth. Apply evenly on your face, avoiding the eye area. Apply a wet tissue or sheet mask over your face and press gently. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Once dry, peel it off from the edges and see the glow. This mask removes dead skin cells and cleanses pores and leave your skin fresh and bright. Try it and share your results in comment section. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.